Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Learning Korean can get a little tricky sometimes, especially when one word has two or more meanings. Yes, I'm talking about Korean homonyms, words that sound the same but have different meanings. So, in this new series, we'll explore 10 common Korean homonyms in each video and understand their meanings so that you'll never get confused again. So, make sure to watch till the end so that this series can help you sharpen your Korean language skills very easily. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and learn the various Korean homonyms. First one is nun. Nun. Now, nun has two meanings. It can mean eye or snow. Now, the point is, homonyms confuse when you learn them in the form of a word. Okay, like for example, over here, nun. Okay, when you hear this word nun, there are two meanings that appear in your mind or come in your mind: eye and snow. Now, the point is how you are going to identify when it means eye and when snow. It can be very easily done with the help of the context or the situation that you're talking about. For example, if you say 눈이 아파요, you can very easily identify that 눈 over here means eye because of the verb 아프다, which means to get hurt or to be in pain. So obviously, 눈이 아파요, my eye is hurting or I have a pain in my eye. Okay, so like this, you can very easily identify or recognize the meaning of a Korean homonym with the help of the context, the situation, or the sentence. All right? Next, 차. 차. It has two meanings, car and tea. So, the Korean word for car is 차, and for tea, it is also 차. Next comes 풀. 풀. Again, there are two meanings for this word, grass and glue. Now comes 열. 열. 열 can mean fever in Korean, and it can also mean the number 10 in the pure Korean number system. The one that is 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 열 is 10 in the pure Korean number system or the native Korean number system. Okay, so 열 can mean fever and it can also mean 10. 개. It could mean dog, or 개 is also the counter for objects. We know there are various Korean counters to count different things, objects, or any other noun in Korean language. So the counter for counting objects like 3 cupcakes or 4 chocolates or 5 apples, in that case, we use the Korean counter 개. 팔. It means arm and it can also mean the number 8 in the Sino-Korean number system. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 over here is 8 in the Sino-Korean number system. Alright? 콩. 콩 means ball and it also means the number 0. So 콩 has two meanings, ball or 0. 달. Now 달 can mean month in Korean, and it is also the Korean word for moon. Okay? 말. 말 is the Korean word for horse, and 말 is also used for speech or word, or whenever you talk. Okay, then in Korean, 말 is the word. You remember the verb 말하다, to talk? Okay, so that 말 is the word for speech or word. Okay? 배. Now, 배 has three different meanings. 배 can mean boat or ship in Korean. It can also mean pear, the fruit pear. And 배 also means stomach in Korean language. You can very easily recognize how different the meanings are. Okay, boat or ship, then there's a fruit, pear, and then there's a body part, stomach. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.